self-propelled wheels to work again. Alright, I'll tell you guys what I did. The left side was the worst one. I took it off, the gears were grinding, so I start working around a little bit, put some grease on it. The other side was alright on this one, so I did that one, and I freed them up, and I put grease on the wheels too. So they move around now. So now this mower, I can actually not have to worry about pushing it now. See? It moves again. So I greased the shafts on the wheels and inside the wheels. So it's got grease in there now. That's the grease I use. Lithium grease on it. So it freed it up. So now it's a self-propel mower again. So it looks like now it just needs a bath, a cable, and I want to fix that side chute. I just don't like it like that. It's dangerous. And I think that'll be all. Stay tuned for the next part. It's going to look cleaned up. Alright folks, I got this mower cleaned up here. As you can tell, looks a little bit better than what it did before. Here, excuse the paper towels are sitting right there. I'm just gonna let this mower go as is. I got the self-propel working now, wheels greased up. I got a different cable for it. It's not, I don't want to go spend 28 bucks on Amazon for a new cable, so I have one. It's not exactly the right exact one, but it works for it. I had to zip tie it on there because the hooks on there are a little broke. Sorry, a little broke right there, but it functions. I'll show you here. Pulls it back and stuff. So put a different filter on it. It's a used filter I got off a junk engine, Honda engine I have. There. It's alright, I cleaned it up. Oh, best I could. There. Now the only thing I gotta work on is the choke and the blade. The choke is not wanting to go back. I mean, it goes back, but once it starts, it's not moving forward. So I think something's stuck on there. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. I'm gonna take the top cover off here and see what I can find on it, and then we're gonna put the new blade on. Alright guys, I'm gonna take the cover off. Some 10mm bolt here, so off. Still functioning. Might put a little grease on that anyway. Okay. Lift this off and set it to the side. Coil, all that don't look too bad here. You know, all that. As you can see, sorry. Oh, that's not too bad in there. I'll still probably blow it off a little bit and all that. I'm gonna see why this is not moving, so let's see. It's supposed to kick back. I'm gonna spray a little bit of lubricant on there. Who knows? This thing was set outside. Who knows? Yeah. There we go. It's moving now. There we go. So maybe when I start it up, it will go. Here, so I'm going to spray some more lubricant on stuff here. I'm going to try that. See if that's any better. Here, so let me... Oh, that's actually moving. You can see it. Moving a little bit better. So let me put you right here. Might be a little bit more... Yeah, it's starting to move. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's starting to move. We're going to try it out. So, let me put the cover back together and then we'll start it back up. Alright guys, got it back together here, so we're going to try to start it here. That's my Dodge Avenger there. I just replaced the oil pan gasket on it today. It was leaking, and of course it's a 10-year-old car. It's a 2008. It's got 194,000 miles on it. Had the original gasket on there, the the RTV stuff and all that. So ordered a gasket, cost me like $31 for it today, but that one's running good today. No leaks so far. Alright, so let's get this started here and we'll see if the choke works on it. So I already got the choke on it, so I'll start it up for you guys. I'm not going to do the self-propel, but I'll just do this. So here we go. Oh. Alright, so next will be the blade. Battery's going dead, so we're going to actually kind of call it a night anyway. Pick it up tomorrow.